Hey there everyone, I'm Christian from RackNerd, and today I am going to show you how to install and use Tmux on Almalinux. If you're not familiar with Tmux, it is a powerful terminal multiplexer that allows you to manage multiple terminal sessions within a single window. This is especially useful for systems administrators and developers who need to keep various tasks organized while working on remote servers. With Tmux, you can create, manage, and navigate between several terminal sessions. But before we dive into the installation process, please ensure that you have a VPS with Almalinux OS set up. If you haven't done that yet, just check out our previous tutorials on ordering a VPS with RackNerd so you can follow along with me. Now let's jump into my screen and get started with the installation. Alright, first let's log into our Almalinux server via SSH. Once we're logged in, the first step is to update our system's package list to make sure that you're working with the latest versions. Run this command. Once the system update is complete, we can install Tmux. It's available in the default Almalinux repositories, so we can install it by running this command. The system will prompt us to confirm the installation. Just press Y to continue. In just a few moments, Tmux will be installed on our system. To start using Tmux, simply run this command. Now you're inside of a Tmux session. From here, you can split your terminal into multiple panes. To split the window vertically, press Ctrl plus B and then the % sign. To split the window horizontally, press Ctrl plus B, then period. This will allow you to work on different tasks simultaneously. You can switch between the panes using Ctrl plus B, then O. If you want to create a new window with the same Tmux session, press Ctrl plus B and then C. To navigate between windows, use Ctrl plus B and then N for the next window, or Ctrl plus B and then P for the previous window. If you need to detach from a session to keep it running in the background, press Ctrl plus B and then D. When you're ready to reconnect to your session, just run Tmux attach. Finally, let's take a look at how to customize Tmux to enhance your workflow. You can edit the Tmux configuration file located in your home directory, typically named .tmux.conf, C-O-N-F. This file allows you to set up custom key bindings, adjust your status bar, and much more. And that is how you install and use Tmux on Almalinux, whether you're managing multiple tasks or want a better way to work in the terminal. Tmux is a fantastic tool to have in your personal go-to tools. Anyways, if you run into any issues or have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. We are here 24/7 to assist you. And as always, check out RackNerd.com for more reliable hosting solutions, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, RackNerd TV, for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.